Sweetness flowing like a faucet, body banging, no corset. Brothers wanna toss it, but they lost cause my game made them forfeit. Slicker than a porpoise and thicker than the horses. Common Brown got the whole town speechless. I stick to my thesis, I stick to my features. Brothers try to hold, but the game never reaches. And most of these cats are like the middle of peaches. See, this is common, curves like a cul-de-sac. Skim, coffee, and cream, your donut, you ain't dunking that.
Hey babes, so today I'm going to show you guys how I got this super cute vintage look that's inspired by Dorothy Dandridge and Carmen Jones. The wig that I'm wearing is the Monmy wig, and you can order it off from Amazon, so I'm going to put the link down below. It really didn't take long. This is a perfect look if you want to have like a costume without having to actually buy a costume. I'm just wearing like a off the shoulder top. If you want to be dramatic, whip out the fans. I love this look. I love. But if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching.
Hey babes, so today we're going to start off by priming with the Glam Glow Illuminating Moisturizer, and I'm putting it mainly on my high points, but to be honest, it goes a little bit of everywhere. And now I'm just brushing through my brows. We're going to do pretty much a natural brow, and I'm using the NYX micro pencil, I believe, but I'll put everything I use down in the description bar. And now I'm just going in with my NARS foundation. I'm going to put this everywhere. I'm super obsessed with this foundation, and I'm also going to use it to trace my brows on top just because I hate highlighting my brows on top. I try to keep it very natural with the brows. So on top, I'm using my foundation, and then to clean up the bottom, I go in with my concealer, which is the Born This Way concealer. I am obsessed. And now I'm going in with that same concealer all over my face, and I'm really focusing on the highlighting because that's like super important for this type of look. It's not so much about the eyeshadow as it is about the skin, the blush, the highlight. That type of stuff is what's gonna make or break this look. And I'm just blending everything out the best that I can. I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush. I haven't really been using many sponges lately. And this is super important. You want to make sure that you blend out all of the creases before you set with powder. And then I'm going to go in with my Fit Me powder. I'm not really like one to bake. I just like to do like a light dusting, and I might put a little bit extra on, but it's nothing too crazy. I don't pile it on. And I'm going to go in with my Fit Me foundation powder, and I'm going to use this to just bronze the face a bit, and we'll go in and really contour it later. I love bronzing under my lip. It makes my lips look bigger, low-key. Now I'm going in with that same color, and I'm using it to snatch my nose, but I'm starting in the crease of my eye and bringing it down the entire length of my nose. This is the best way to contour your nose. It looks so good from every angle. And now I'm going in with that same Fit Me powder, but it's a different color. It's closer to my actual skin tone, and I'm using it to dust off all of the powder and set the perimeter of my face. My Ray Ray palette is so dusty. I tore it up in Costa Rica. But I'm going in with that darkest contour color, and I'm using it to really chisel out the jawbone, and then I'm going in with a warm crease color to start off the eye. With this white matte shade, I'm kind of going to cut the crease, but just not as dramatic as if you use like a cream concealer. And then I'm going to go over that same color with a shimmery color, making sure to go in and tidy up the crease in between steps. And taking that same crease color, I'm going to go in and blend out the colors on my bottom lash line, and that just kind of ties the whole look together. And I'm just using this to kind of define my moles. If you have any, define them. If you don't, create one, girl. And I tried to do a liquid liner, but I suck at it, so I went in with my Smashbox pencil, and I just kind of put a thin line and smudged it out. Now going in with this pretty red color, I'm going to use this as a blush. I do it all the time. Like I can literally do a whole look out of this palette, like loads of looks. Like I'm obsessed with this palette. Like it's old, but it's the best thing ever. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of mascara. I'm focusing more on the bottom lashes because I'm going to put lashes on top later. and then I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. And I'm just doing something really simple, making sure to get the bridge of the nose. They gotta be super snatched. And then I'm gonna pop on my lashes. And after we do the lashes, we're gonna start to focus on the lips, which is honestly the statement piece of this look. I'm going in with a brown NYX pencil that's not too much darker than my complexion, and I'm just using this to kind of map out the rim of my mouth. And I make sure to fill in the sides just a little bit to help add that depth in and give that gradient effect. Now using this Makeup Forever color, it's a dark red, and I'll put the name in the description bar. I'm going to kind of cover up where I put the brown, making sure to do all the way around the rim and then bring it in a bit on the sides, again to bring that gradient out. Make sure to really define your Cupid's bow for a 50s look. And then for the middle, I'm going to go in with the Ruby Woo MAC color. And this is like a bright red that honestly looks good on everybody. That's it for the makeup. Let's get into the hair. I already styled it. If you guys want a video on how I styled this hair, then no problem. I can make one for you guys. Just let me know down in the comments. And I'm just tidying up the curls a bit. And then that is the final look. How cute.
Hello darling, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope that you guys really liked it. This is the perfect no costume for Halloween, coming right in the nick of time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications. We're almost at 15K. It's about to go down. I probably did that wrong. It's 2 a.m. I cannot be cool right now, okay? I'm about to snatch this wig off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, notifications now. Bye guys.
If I chase you, then you'll get caught. And once I got you, I go my way. That's